three-way maize hybrids alternative for producing and using improved seed. Particularly, three-way maize hybrids present the advantage of the heterosis. These hybrids represent agronomic and economic advantages in certified seed production because they use a single cross as a female parent with high yield and complete vigor, and as a male parent, an inbred line with very good per se behavior and general combining ability. So, the objective of this research was to know the yield and agronomic characteristics of the three-way maize hybrids for the humid tropic. This research was carried out during the spring-summer season in 2021 at Cotazla Experiment Station in Veracruz from INIFAP. The claim conditions are AW1 that correspond to subhumid warm conditions. The germ plants used in this research were three-way maize hybrids, which were formed with inbred lines selected through the per se grand yield and their general combining ability, and they belong to the Tuspeño race. These lines were generated in the maize breeding program of Cotazla in Veracruz and Iguala Guerrero, experimental stations of the National Institute of Agricultural, Forestry and Livestock Research INIFAP in Mexico, and inbred lines from CIMIT. Besides, there were included the commercial checks H562, H565, and H520. As results, we can see the mean square and significance for yield and agronomic characteristics of the maize hybrids. Particularly, we can found significant differences for hybrids in for grain yield, for plant height, air height, plant aspect, air aspect, and air sanity. So this is very important because this uh, indicates that there were differences for hybrids. Besides, the coefficient of variation for these variables are relatively low. It indicates that very good and efficient management of the experiments. In relation with the grain yield and agronomic characteristics of the three-way maize hybrids, we found 13 experimental hybrids significant difference and with yield above 7 tons per hectare and above the commercial check H520, the best check, from 5 to 12 relative percent above the commercial check. These hybrids present intermediate cycle 5, 6, 57 based to tassel and silking, plant height and air height short, particularly air height ubicated at the middle part of the plant. Very good plant aspect, air aspect, plant sanity and air sanity. As conclusion, the best 13 three-way maize hybrids registered grain yield from 5 to 12 over the commercial check age 520. The best check. So, in agreement with the yield and agronomic characteristics, the best hybrids were experimental hybrids were participate lines, inbred lines from Cotazla, Iguala, and Simit, particularly in these experimental hybrids and the rest of them. This is there are participating lines from the three uh, maize programs. This indicates the importance of the collaboration of the maize programs, maize breeding program for the humid tropic. In the best hybrids, participates as parentals inbred lines from Cotazla, Veracruz, and Iguala Guerrero, family fab, and inbred lines from Simit. Finally, the inbred lines LT 156, 154, CLWN 247, CML 549, and T49. These lines participate in several of the best hybrids and suggest that these lines are characterized with good general combining ability. So this is very important because the maize breeding programs have good inbred lines, good information that can be used for getting better information, better germ plants, and combining uh, to form better hybrid combinations.